Alright, what is going on, everyone? Thank you all so much for stopping by the Card Dojo. My name is Sean and this is my journey into modern day card collecting. Well, guys, it is the weekend. In fact, it is Saturday. We're doing updates, news, and mail. Mostly updates, as you can see. I went shopping and a little bit of mail. So getting right into it, guys. Mail, here we go. A thank you card in a lovely blue from True Blue Card Breaks. There you go. There's all of his information. So this is a trade, guys. Here we go. Jason Kidd Slam, my gold card from 2021-2020 hoops, and I didn't pull it, but he did, and I ended up pulling a Shaq, so we made a little trade. So there we go. Card number one. Thanks, dude. Appreciate that. I like that. The red on red. Yeah, looks great. And second, you might have seen that our friend Eli sent us a box of illusions, and with it he gave us some cards, so I held them off for this very moment. Here we go with an Anthony Davis Jam Masters. These are awesome. We have
Touchdown,
sleeve,
Kansas City.
Patrick Mahomes illusions. Did I pull this one? I don't know. Thank you, man. Cornell Powell, everyone's favorite, in the blue. I did not pull my Cornell Powell. Kind of hard to see in the lighting with the blue parallels. There you go. And finally, a clear shots Mahomes. Thanks, dude. Thank you very much. I'm gonna add that over to the Mahomes PC. And yeah, let me get back to the rip. Not the rip. I mean the Targmart weekly wrap up, which is where I basically show what I was able to find in the wild. Today we went to Walmart, managed to get this wild card illumination, apparently looking for red pack. I never bought a wild card product. I know people have been ripping them every now and then. I figured, you know, we'll save it for a rainy day, give it a try. Additionally, guys, for some reason I have a beef with all of YouTube and the algorithms, but for some reason 2021 low series Sage or whatever is the most viewed video on my channel. With everything I've done and everything I've pulled, for some reason the 2021 version of this box is my most viewed video. Like every day people keep watching it. I don't understand why. So yeah, we're gonna give this garbage box another try because apparently it's what people like watching me rip. Yeah, so we got that. Also at that store, some Brilliant Stars. Currently we have, you may hear my computer rendering my attempt at a high definition rip. I picked a bad video to try. 24 minutes ended up being a booster box, and yeah, apparently ultra high definition at 60 frames per second is doing a toll on my rendering abilities, or I'm doing something wrong with the settings. So that episode was supposed to be out yesterday. It's filmed, I just don't know what's gonna happen. So that's kind of like a breaking news from the dojo. We're gonna break up all of this nonsense what I found, guys, with a little bit of a playoff hobby pack rip, which I bought from the LCS when I stopped today to get some supplies. These were $30 a pop, but I had not done any playoff hobby, so I wanted to give it a try. Yeah, let's get right into it. One feels a little thick and one feels a little thin. So I don't think anyone pulled a mem card, the guy said. So we'll see if we get lucky with these packs. Yeah, first time ever doing any kind of playoff. So, oh, Cooper Cup, Keenan Allen. We have at least a chrome. I see a rookie wave coming up. David Johnson, Xavier Howard, Jacob Harris, the rookie. Rookie wave for Nico Collins and a kid reporter, so that one was definitely a bust. Let's see if the second one paid off. It's more or less like a blaster box per pack at this point in time. I don't think we got, oh, maybe some color, maybe something colorful over there. Okay. Aaron Jones, DK, Russell Gage, Joe Mixon, upside down, Josh Jacobs. Who is this? Marquez Stevenson, and this card is something goldish. don't know. Let's see. Playoff. Am I ruining it? Here we go. Justin Jefferson, not a rookie. I guess they called it the premium, right? Oh, that's numbered 8 out of 10. So yeah, I guess maybe like a premium parallel. So this would be the gold. It's a shame it's not the rookie. But there you go. That's pretty decent card, I guess, right? Playoff Plus. Yeah, that's what it's called. Playoff Plus. Out of 10. Very nice. Very nice. I gotta put this down somewhere safe. And behind him was Call to Arms for Baker Mayfield. So definitely Justin Jefferson was the hit of that little rip. Unfortunately, we didn't catch one of the autos. What a shame. Anyway, guys, back to my visit to Walmart. I got one of each of these just to hold on to. They're V-Stars. Like I said, I have the full Brilliant Stars booster. Hopefully I'll have that video out sometime. It was supposed to be a release day rip, but we didn't make it. Okay, so we also got the Leafy on though. For basketball, oh no, I'm sorry. Keep going here. I've been thinking about picking up one of these, but then when they had it in the store, I was like, you know what? Finally, why not? Sure. It's the Pikachu box. Keep that one saved. And I also mentioned that they didn't have many Greninja things, but I lied because here we go. Greninja V Union. It's 4 cards that I guess combine into one. And you can actually play it like that somehow. But yeah, keeping that one sealed as well. But to rip, and this is now from Target.com, some Mosaic Megas. Oh, basketball. Sorry, I'm causing all kinds of chaos here. Yeah, I got 3 of these. I thought I was done ripping Mosaic basketball, but for some reason they keep on providing it to me, so we'll keep on ripping it. We got 2 Rookies and Stars blasters from Target, and then 3 of these not quite Megas. They're called trading card boxes, I guess, with 1 auto, 1 mem. We're going to do a battle with one of them, and we're going to be battling against ET Cards and Fishing for Cards. I think we're doing that tomorrow night. Sunday night, we'll all 3 of us will drop our boxes at the same time, and there will be a giveaway involved. With whoever loses has to do a giveaway to people who commented on his video. So definitely check out both their channels down there, and you can hopefully win a little something. I don't know what yet. We'll figure it out. It'll be announced by Sunday night. All right. Anyway, we're making this one kind of quick because hopefully I don't know if this will ever actually render. Like I said, apparently the Ultimate HD 60 frames is too much. This is being filmed in Ultimate HD 30 frames, maybe a little better. Hopefully, if not, I'll have to refilm all this. Only news I got was that the printing press in Texas went down for Panini for 2 days. So if you thought everything was delayed a little bit, well, now it's more. Rookies and Stars is here, yay. But guess what? Phoenix still not going to be here until now, I think April, and then we're looking at Prism late April, possibly May. Yeah. So be prepared for more Rookies and Stars, guys. Pokemon and basketball, because Prism, Phoenix, what else was coming out? I forget. Anyway, guys, I'm rambling now at this point. Come back Monday for Flux. Come back Wednesday for maybe some Mosaic football, because Eli might be sending us some. If not, we'll do Mosaic basketball, and then Friday, hopefully, Brothers and Cards, maybe, possibly. If not, Rookies and Stars. Sure, why not? All right, guys, as always, thank you so much for stopping by, and take care.